ase any support amodi aboa from day one ha madam nyina ase manye kokko Pamela Brown Kojo Barcelona Abuba Sanom Smiley munyina amintumi mbo bi edin ya hajina police munyina madam nyina ase mo amene mo started from day one ya Peter Anochi mehu ya ntimechia munyina mechia madam ase pa ya guy Jesus ya mehu munyina madam nyina ase sebe debi ameka se wo ye ade na opese ukọ wanimu a omo a wohia no eye wo awukromfo wo awukrofo ya Francis Do ya Ola ni bote kujo ya mehu nyina why ya kwa bena Tuesday mehu nyina why ya Zivo Kwame mehu nyina wow ti wonya hunkrofo wo awukromfo no mo baake wa eboa o made wo ye na ekoso enti amanda nwumbre and that topic no ensheda nye any topic but ye be kasa de tu ye hofo Ghana for mpanyimfo am follow movement ya me chia mo em say me tu kwan ba ye no na sentem and business nti me nya kwan enye video say first no na me hwe Ghana for mpanyimfo soldier for mpanyimfo a police for mpanyimfo ahemfo musicians celebrities black star players omo frame ya omo kase no me nya video na true videos na bo omo no ama me kura me ho adwiri me ti me ho say nipa bia wo ye ade a especially Facebook edina yehu no edina yehu say obi type ya dia yehu no obu anye ni din obu oye pengini celebrity pengini pa ebi be president bi kra na follow ya Isaac Jebiscos wow but unnim nipa kro no wow nti de bia me say oba nipa dom na wo kasa yema ye kasa wonte said ye be ya pengini bi tia bo se abrantie maami akatesie a okase onimunyansa nti se phone si so sa eye hunu se oman pengini betumi ahwe police ni pengini betumi ahwe bia wo maami bia wo papa kora betumi ahwe video no nti ma okasa wonte ye na ye start Facebook video no na ye nya matured nti ye kasa ye mistakes ni pe bia no o start ya dia ni pa hwe oduru baabi na wo se ye nwi or ye matured and the video amebeye no mami bia fa no ya tiwa oseden and oye video bi ndra oye video no say odidi matempa ewie makohwe video no odidi matempa say mabodam na me ye kronfo na me ba Facebook no na Facebook me de ato abrosan me de Facebook ato abrosan me de Facebook atoka na odidi matem say mabodam ena Ghana for edimechi ba me ba ye no me drop my bro sa level na me ko so low to obi odidi atem level my bro sa level no insult bullet bi anim but me pen say obetna uso Facebook oba live don't spread false information me share video no asema na ye nua ba na ka no na oka evangelist ade ho asem and they are attack Biscout na prempe na se Biscout on person be kasa me kasa ya obatiwa I respect her as a woman and as a mother me di obuo ma no oyoba me Facebook omo didi ye ka obi ye didi na tempa ye me ko wo de ko YouTube na kobo Abraham bin Moshe asofo didi matem church members di matem bloggers di matem ba me pese me reply wo bia dem pese obi ati ase ne se mami ngege mpo mami ngege oye video bi e cassette ya me ba mami ngege no mi mbungu ne so sa because onya audio bi a audio no na ba chomo bi endidi obi atem wa ha I'm not here to insult I bet of it mo bi endidi obi atem she's a woman nobody was born ugly nobody was born ugly my endidi obi atem mami ngege ye video bi fa me ho na Abraham bin Moshe onye real obi seni na me WhatsApp group and obi seni audio bi ma no audio no na ye say me ka say omo mboa e dey nti na me ka sa na ma create common sense family group and aye ba be ye video ye ba be ye debate me ne Obedia enti debate no me ka kire Obedia say Obedia kra hwe video be dia dance say Obedia ye be ye debate ya omo me no ma ye debate ngina no ombe sene ye be check cost no na we dey half aba na me dey half aba ti me ye also no ntua kapre nti aka ni na be da me so nti Miss Bell and the man 1,500 and Miss Bell on sponsor me ye debate no and obo 1,500 and I mention me so me book almost 4,000 e ye me amanjiska wo bia wo nti na me catch a group na say omomboa ye wie kra plastic chairs san ye la me na me kotu ya enti sa video na me kasa no bi de ma mama ngege and no ye video say Avram because or ye video because obi the audio sene no ma me didi na tem ideas man ye video bi fa me ho na me ye scammer me ye kronfo na magi girl bi afa no love na nefu aboahema magi ne 6,300 ye bra bi aba line so ye friend no Mohammed Nuru Diara bisano ono so wa send me 6,300 and na me ka say wa send me ska wa send me 900 and something and dra ye business no and no more register it love na nefu aboahema no my girlfriend or my girlfriend but our quantum na me wo girl wa ha announcement me girl na me no wa no na yentemu nye fine no Franca very beautiful lady but yen click once we open but yen click as partners into yentemu etete but me obia I know how to treat my ex. I am the best ex-boyfriend in the world who did be so be we date with that. I am the best bisa me background here. Me man me no me date that especially omo me no mo man no me show mu up to today abraye jai ba akokra baby oda oni baby da ma hide down dia man no we are not dating sana mete enti Franca no na me ne ntemu tete e na me ko date love na nefua because na me pese me fa girl bia me date love na nefua on social media girl ne pemasem na nefua or pemasem she's a wonderful person, she's an amazing girl love na nefua boyema me pege na semwa still me ni womu a me nya me fendi agro kra ono ani me say still me penasem good so seniska e de be register your business ni bi na Franca no wow na ex girlfriend but na your boyfriend matches say wa ni friendly matches enti obenyin say wow enti and your friend your friend oh, enti friendly matches ni mwana Franca benyin say wow baby girl enti menya me number 9 enti national team na me guso no enti Franca enti me man nya 9 afa na me man na ye 9 and ideas man here video say ma wo 9 me wo 9 afa na ma wo 9 Sunday yana ya drop number 9 well enti na me ne me ex girl na ya na your boyfriend matches no na girl na or baby me dating ni bia person na me wo because I am very intelligent, I am honest, I am smart. Into obia me ahemfu tu eno mo so mpese me ne omomba wo ahemfu tu afra me say Avram ye pese ye de ye bama wo wale na kra ne ne wo maye agina police tafri bomiski na nefu eni ha na nefu anoni Ghana ha me na meti Ghana ha body no be firewood into na ya me bo we Champions League any friendly matches enti friendly matches ni mu ana Franca nyinsen me mpese me di besie nti me catch love na nefua no na love na nefua ne bufu ye nti she joined the business Biscout Michiao na nefua joined the business because of me enye business no pe eye me no do me no e no de join me enem so ko ball best ideas man amane and ideas man ko ye video nti the 6,300 no me send ni sika ina de man no na nefua na me ne ye free me ne papa ye free na ne papa kura wo we ne papa cry yale me na me man the product or your video be crack and ne papa ho to no so nti me ne free me send ni sika man back but business no e woni din still e woni din when na ne fo akasa me fa ni business e mana me de be man back to ati ase me ba social media me nji wo bia kapre me ndada wo bi nji ni sika na me ka ne nda say Facebook aboa me ankasa me kira wa chede a menya through Facebook fa laptop na mami me kire wa chede a menya through Facebook a uyem kra be show e de ntia they see say I am spreading wisdom na wo be spreading wisdom no ombi sa bibia yemboa no Ghana fo aboa me nkasa omomo outside any wow laptop obi to the chair any na nsenya na eba fresh laptop any wow any fresh laptop any obi na the chair free obi a chair me phone obi kra see the fee me pe baby ata me kwatena I am not a thief, I'm not a scammer. Wow, inti me pacho. Ebi krasi. Me started Facebook no. Na me ye adwuma, na me ye aim global, network marketing. Over time. Me too kwan no and na me ye na full time. Any wow, I'm not a thief. Any award am gi any. Me a part of the millionaire cycle. Brother tie brofo no. Me nua ba tie me. Any award am gi any. Award na ma je 3. Me sa kwaje ba ko Philippines. Me the 5th top earner in Ghana. 3 weeks me they are earning 18,180 million. I am not a beggar. Me nye kron for me that do be engine sika. Wow, millionaire cycle. Wow, enti pacha I'm not a thief. Me pede say me didi enu aba natem. I am very stubborn. Me manu ye din papa. Me manu ye din na manu ye ya. But me pese manu din na manu ye ya no. Me di elevated the youth. Me di obi atem. Yenua ya me refi ni din no. Ya bibi. Video ye de say Evangelist Adey abodan na base scout na prempe ene kofa sa abodan fo ne bai. Enti ono attack base scout. Me ka kire wo. Say social media e was say we neutral person. Obi o say Nyankopon ni ho e was say we interview no. Na o kire de enti Nyankopon ni ho. Obi o say on Jesus indi. E was say o de ne ba wo show so. Na obeka de enti on Jesus indi. Obi cross yan kosom bonsam ene ne mbra nti na Kofi Adoma me pe na asem no Kofi Adoma de obi aba uye nkremoni o uye hindu ni o uye budeni o uye NDC o uye NPP nti uye neutral na ebi no e the religious beliefs abe attach ade ne say se woni ne nya adwen e woni gidie hu a e wo se o attack e no nwe creative group bi me pa mo chaw oba ti wa me ndidi na tem oyo oba Medina tempe, medidi emma, medeti omu inatem, medidi CSF ladies atem, medidi Ghana embe inatem, medidi natem, inti yenua obeti wa mesrao. O platform, edebi kra me buy, or buy pena me comment, so you look beautiful. Me follow no, but all say you omu invite, because so madam, and don't why if pa. Enti mesra yenjay atem didieno, enti biscout, Emma interview, wait. Idea wait Evangelist Adey na Evangelist Adey at the long run no sebe o didi atemwa don't attack Biscout because o interview no we interview nipa na Jimmy for do interview no Jimmy enti wo asem bi ka asem ni che say Jimmy for no Adey na nkasa eye me yapo say despite group of companies ebinom wura ho a kum chacha mu nyina kirem oni pa bia wo ya ade a logic and common sense will tell you say akoi na adwen nya adwuma. We shouldn't waste time on him. Me why video afa me ho acha obia we didi matem or text me personally no on me chat personally nyina me mfi no because me say akoa no onye normal we didi obi atem we didi chief mama atem we didi omampegi na nado atem we didi Shatawali atem we small girl okuma wudi even say mama say wa we didi natem kojo cancer le win onu de obi a waye ye bi obi didi natem mesramo why yen jai sa de no woni obi nya ade wo wugidie hu don't attack him who didi Biscout atem say Biscout aye den eda no we video here ba yi me I am not a fan of guy we dom so e kron for the fairness so me I am robber no Peter Paradise my ye show mo wafre em wakasada me follow no but edebi me ko ye no na Peter Paradise o didi mami lovely lady a me ndi ne ho agrokra we shine your eye o didi shine your eye atem didi natem de na sing na didi natem e kwa na me say guy pa ade no yesa inti me follow no biom miti minim no or you my friend but me on friend them because me say why no didi e matem sa no ntina minim po say why poster biafa amankra lo ho say obituary minim no de me hu ya ne say video bi aba yes ya branche no oye am robber na me kwota krade okota krade a say the radio stations ni guso ma warning about Peter Paradise no me hu say no say man be video man kirem na man boa me near Peter Paradise for no say Peter Paradise aye bone we did obi atem but video na man krado here no e the guy in life akoye danger. I won't support that guy that way Peter Paradise means supporting the net and supporting Ochna when you kasa edidi matem enti me I am against that guy but video na me hu yene said ye kon bia na wo bi de ade akobo no na we ku no ti me kire mu say omunjai mesremu mama ye ma enidie mbra ye hu social media with all due respect me asantini na tete me enti me baby bebre ho me kwa e ya me kase me ya asantini ntimi bu asantefo mo kanyansasem Muni ate muni bie ewiase baby ni wa asante na twini ni ho ba me pachew Facebook enim guase no twifo no mu ya gidin go mu toto ubeko Facebook page ya yedidi atembia na yetwini adan na mu gu twifo na asantefo ni mu asasa adan manso twi Facebook na mu create group obetumi ba live say obedidi no nyonko bi atem keke ena wo ya boa wo ye kwasea wo jimifo wo hufin wo ni baby da obi ni baby da mfa ho obi ni baby da mfa ho emfa ho mo ye gutwifo ani mu asedodo na mo nyai mo ye matured people yen solve personal issues wa ha yen solve personal issues on social media mo bebre mo ye nanfofo enti Peter Paradise din semfo a fa ni mo bi se mo mfra ne kan chance wo nyai mekwa meka say kwan bi so the Amankralo e dey Peter Paradise no obesue mu nyansa although say I don't support what Amankralo did. Amankralo mi buno pa mi buno mami ngege mi buno ideas man mi buno oye mi nua Ghana ni enne mi kopie wo Kuwait ya mekwa kochie ideas man onye metamfo se watemase ti mo ma ye njai saade na ye no ye gu yankasa ye nimu ase ye gu Ghana fo hu fin toto wow na ya so Facebook live ye medidi atem sa endra meti me baby se se akra de mu Jesus ne mu nyankopon no me nka na asem biom me ye me business didi matem se ma bodam me ye kronfo na me de esi abrosan me office na me da still me office mu na me da still me se me da me office ade ko se me si me dan wow me ye adwumaden me ye hard work ti me srawo me nua ba wanya ade don't condemn somebody say when interview obi Debbie to me pamochaw obeti wow say hwan wo hwe na niam me kafa Jesus woni onyankopon ho no ntiase a fra wo sofo na wo sofo mfra me debate ena me ka kire ya brefo e wo we Adom TV say o se ne sofo ne Duncan Williams a on kan che Duncan Williams no mfra me debate sofo usu bempa e ka so be fra me debate wa fra me no Christian pastor, no Christian scholar, no Muslim scholar can stand me when it's come to debate. Any pride. Because of me, only ni pay free religion. Because of me, only men crofua mentally on my free. I am proud of myself. And I'm proud of what I'm doing. Because ye be biano at the YouTube. Member beba beshe. Member ebeba beshe. Member beba beshe. Me na no beshe. And I know one day my great-grandchildren will look at me and be proud of me. Let us learn how to elevate people. Ebrebi, ideas man, any lady be enya problem be. I'm a lady ni yesan ko be good ideas man any mwasi. Obi mbisa ideas man. Me friend ideas man personally. And I'm a man the fruit to say ideas man. Na wo mu a frame me. Ideas man will not frame no to me for. No frame me to me for. Me first ideas man. Let it be a video be a fa na ideas man. And Mr. You're very careful. Say the lady ne can no cradia show ye and ye no crown so dia to anamo ye. Let me tune the phone or so damasi. San was say at Nasi Miano. Edebi obi invite me come me ngege ho. Me kwa no didi atem or didi obi atem. Em say nkrofona ye ne bonani bi. Na me type oh won't forget it. Yenya tamfo ha. Wow. Yeah, Mamia Canada. Me pe Mamia Canada semwa Mamia Canada. Acha every month sister Iframe. And or your voice audio edichiame. Or you good Christian. They be also on an empire but say me be ye Christoni. Sana was say yetna wa ha. Me pamu nyina achew. Me sremo. Me catch them say. Me catch them say I don't need your God. Me nka say nyankopon ni ho. Just that I have a different concept of God from yours. Me say Jesus never existed. Debate ya ma ye nyina so obi antumi nyina. Mo asofo ne ba no mo san ya burundua. Even your pastors can't stand me. So religion doesn't make sense. Say Christopher so mo ko heaven. In Kremofo so mo ko heaven. Say aminbisa ye won Kremofo heaven special. And you wo Christopher heaven special. And na munyina mu kopie wo the same heaven. And yes anka be da ne wo. And the heaven hono mu be ko masalachi and na mu be ko church. Na say heaven cry be ko church ya and the heaven anka en sole e be do so kra chen Ghana. Because heaven, I was saying Yankopon si Pentecost, no si Methodist, no si Anglican, o si Chirebentoa, o si Nankaba, o si Awoyo, o si SDA, o si Universal, o si Theocracy, o si Apostolic. I was saying Yankopon si Obia Solomon. Ti heaven and Solomon Bedoso. So what am I saying? Wow. The concept of your God doesn't make sense. Say Yankopon no bobo and some. Mo say Yankopon ni dachi, brother. Level na medro no. I was once a Christian. I was a pastor. Me 9 branches. 9. Me 9. When mama me training no. Boy na friend quotation man. Me na me training no. Quotation master was a why no. Me na me training no. Ana ba akubiso. Omo friend Antichrist bibi. Me na me san training no. So what you say? Wow, obedi amunya no me student, obedi amankwa, obi typing it. Omunya no me na mechira mwade. So wow, obi about type obedi is coming. Obedi no, me host the debate wa ha. Or cast after debate no, onu be host me. Unfair debate the back. Wa frame me. On to me frame me. The only thing you can do to CSF is to attack us. To attack us, insult us, and tarnish our image. So what you say? Na no so go through baby. How can you call me a thief? Abraham report to my police. Tell no crowd the nanche. So what you say? Say guy never evangelist ade no. Mo bia so so. Wow, ni IQ no form. Okwatena computer national Google bibia no ordenam. Never in sin chain. Ni nsu nyansa. Aha ni nsu nyansa. The make na say, wo religion no, onyankopon nim daache. And na onyankopon ne bobo nsam. O bobo nsam no. Onim se bonsam abaye bonsam e no obo bonsam onu nyankopon ye nim se bonsam be ye cool etia no wosoro ho e no obo bonsam e na bonsam be ye cool bonsam ye cool wie ya nyankopon ne nkum bonsam otam bonsam na e no tum bonsam ne mai wow, munyankopon entumi enkum bonsam e no to bonsam no e ma ye nipa no se odoye no oto bonsam ai ono to bonsam a ye wie no e no se osoro ene mu amutitim mo bontom yam asase ne epo munwie esanse bonsam wesiane abayenchen ye bonsam na no sane bai ana na ato ne bai wona woto ne bai no si yemdue na kwa na ba afi bonsam o he nipa nyankopon korona wantumi enku bonsam no eno so osan soma ne doba Jesus say Jesus ye mentumi enku bonsam matuna menipa na bonsam ne titi nipa entimi ba Jesus kona kokum bonsam me Jesus kuru yi ba ya wantumi enku bonsam na bonsam no afa Judas so eyi Jesus ya ma ne yeku Jesus ya wo se wo kwa ba still bonsam ti ase. This religion doesn't make sense. The mo person bo kira say me Abraham me wo me dem na cobra wo ewura me dem bi kura sekan me kum wo no me nkum wo no na me de sekan ni pagya wo no na me to me kobie me ma edan na me mba dem no na me to wo no gu me ma ni dem wo na me lucky gate na me de ma no ebe ko tale tokro bi mu say me munue na cobra bi abadem ho. Say bra na me mei epie beto me papa no abontia. Won't they tell me I am stupid? This is what you are telling me your God did. Edru fasting time na nkremu for fasting no. And obi from Abraham. Won't you do the fasting? Now me say I don't need a God who starved his children for 30 days. Nyankopon edru baby or children na ma come 30 days. Father Ben and I by you poster bi braset you will poster bi on much of 40 days fasting and prayers may you require solid way be marco see so for fast 40 days fasting and prayers. What are you telling me? Boni Ben my ananyankopon me twamanzo men fam ye funto nyankopon agese ne ba kire kom answer wetie no. I don't need this God. Age wo kom de ne ba age wo ko gina so dem etie mu answer wetie yen awofo na yawo mma be wiase no yema ene sufre yen ansia omoduane di ana common sense kire wo say anopa bia mma aduane ni adwena anya adwuma body ni bebre mo bo mpa ye too much me to bible ne to twene me ye adwuma den ene ma to me kan ene ma kwa aburo kira ba no hard work pays Africans, we like praying. That's why we are lazy, especially Ghanaians. Even our national anthem is a prayer. God bless our homeland, Ghana. Nonsense. God won't bless our nation if our leaders are corrupt and the youth are lazy guys. God doesn't help lazy people. Quote American national anthem, quote China national anthem. Say God will more. There is no God, but they do hard work. Papa Ben, and I will catch us say, one did 1 week, now better now has now about soon did 1 week now to her. Say me banner padia or me hunty. Me banner come. What when you coupon the day, a genie patch the come. Koda mountains, a big crowd walk a cabinum, answer with ye. This concept doesn't make sense. So what I say? And to be children, dream will be one. Member didn't attempt, again. There is a creator, but the concept of God now, it is wrong. I was a Christian. I was born a Muslim. I became a messianic Jew. Now me person me be Jew ni ankasa. Me be Jew for na mo say sa nia me wo honi. Mo say religion na ye bomb. E ye divide and conquer. They bet that Africa for nyina, especially some Nigerians are saying they are the lost tribe. Who told you we Africans are lost tribe? It is the Jews who stole our identity and called us Goyim, Gentiles. The Jewish people stole the identity of Africans. We are the chosen people. We are so for we say one tiasi afraid debate. What do you mean for Aframe? And paying for a sofa got from Savram Jokan Yanokre. Yes, Ramo, we are not here to insult. We are here to elevate people. Hey, in the Old Testament, Omar Quine said, you can own a slave, you can buy a slave, you can beat your slave, but has a problem with eating of shrimps. Ukodi monkwa or do betu bunsam jemekun. Ukori preko or do betu bunsam jem or besho. A God who hates eating of pork but doesn't have any problem with slavery. I don't need this God. That your God needs to be taught a sense of justice. Nyanko Ponsma David said, hey, Esma Saul says, Saul, ko na kum amalekifo nyina kumumwa kum enkoda kumapemfo onu Nyanko Ponkuriya to renim in the Old Testament or say men kum enkoda enka omo papa bone ho ena men kum papa e wo ne mba bone ho amalekefo na yekoku omo no enyom to no ye Israel fo bone yo eyomo nananom ti sa Nyanko Pon we hu mobo yenkokum emwa na ntwie nyina yenkum me pachaw se ekrobi wo ho na ekromufu agimi ambacho na ntwie ni so agimi kotre a wo krom wo kotre na waye bode ben Nyankopon se yenkum mwa nyina ena Saul koy ye no ena Saul kum nipa no ena ogya wo hene no eni na ntwie sa Nyankopon ne se sa bone we on fa nche Saul da ena opo Saul was rejected for showing mercy. Samu Nyankopon Kuriya David ekofa wo bi ne yere ni obire ne dai David smile and ye catch say David eye wu soje ni Uriah yere David say mun kofa ne mame na David ni oba ne dai David hu say wo ba na nyinsen no e no frɛ ni kunu efri entokwa na se befie and no share da be man tie boni ya David ye and na David share da be man say be man in kofie na nko ne yere nko ye den enkoda na kire se onu David we dia share papa no enti papa ni kofie a o kogugu so na kire se wanye moba no dia share ni kunu no and na be man ka se nana Joab the army commander any Israel for any apamada ka no omo won tokwa no me na min kofie ne me yere nkoda min kofie da David who said papa ni nkofie no and David throw death warrant okum krata and the share jury and same so fan kuma Joab letter de coin Joab be a mono ya chro mu say Joab Uriah a ode letter yi bre wo no entokwa no baby anu orden no ma Uriah nkodi enim na say Amalek enkrofo ne ba munja ninja no na ye mbo no na wongu ampa Joab sutie David eno de ni kodi entokwa nenim na omu kum no omu enkum Uriah nko a ye kum Uriah eni Israel fo ni bi fry David ti say Uriah wu pe eno kofa Uriah na yere no eno wale no sa wo ba no ye fa de Bathsheba oni sa wo ba no ena wu Solomon nyinsen no nyankopon ku David nyankopon reject David nyankopon se still odo David woni ni pa nyankopon ku no nyankopon kum innocent baby na o hye yefunu no na nyankopon ku akola no one day o mayale bo akola no innocent baby ayawo ne fresh akoda ne yale e suffer 1 week me wura kora wo ansa kora ni sa akoda na nyankopon de yale bo no akoda ne tietie 1 week ansa akoda ni wo no bone be na akoda ne ye na David no di ni nkwase asem no wote ho say nyankopon se me don I don't need this God needs to be taught sense of justice now see imagine so for be na wo Ghana ha wo so esua Bible ne cheme nobody me obi ni mu ne no pastor can stand me one time Sanance some sabe and answer some fun way ya to no aso dem che ho collection criminal God like this Shabai ni munkokum Amalekafo munkokum Jerichofo munkokum Amalekafo munkokum Jerichofo munkokum Amalekafo munkokum Jerichofo munkokum Prowefo. What kind of God is this? Yes, say nipekum no e wo book ni mu say that murder sa nipekum no it was ordered by God. Why not say what ekum America ekokum Gaddafi eyene de? You are against what Obama did because any book mu Obama can say it is God who sent me, but because it is in the book and ye kum nipa Elijah any bala konfo no braset Elijah ne akonfo no Elijah oni akonfo ko debate na we wini a akonfo no ye kum preach akonfo na nsakra na yesi akonfo apawe akonfo baako 400 we twetwe mu nyina ti nyame nipa woni abosomsomfo akọ debate na wawini wa ma Jeffrey Soraba se kan ye di kun e wo se wo wie no abosomsomfo 400 no na wa kire mo se momfa mo homa awurade na mo ngie awurade ndi na wodifo atwese kan aye se Elisha na pempemu apa Elisha na ena nkoda ehu no eja nkoda de wa pempemu apa omo pe wasem ena nkoda na ehu na no se apempem tipa me Abraham also ka say nkoda me na mo ye mesa no mo be yina betu o na wa from na no mo di agro say o apempem no kura na ye nhira na ye agro ehwa na okomande na emoa efiri ngurem na be hwe mbofra no. What kind of wicked God is this? What kind of wicked book is this? Enkoda nketu mu ni mo hwe mo book no mesua ma nesi. Nobody should insult me because I disagree with you on religion. What say one tiasia for our soft non friendly debate? Medical culture. The whole world, not even a Jewish rabbi can stand me. Bible. Me na yi Bible ni nso apempam sa de ahyemo. Me Bible no every sheet. The Bible man. Me Bible na me kinda. Every version available my kinda. Greek Bible ina mo bi go. Greek Bible. Any we Bible say ya me every sheet minimum say what so. Sheet way every sheet. There is no question you can ask me I cannot answer. Every sheet I know what is on it. Yes, in religion I divide and conquer. Identity. Not beautiful guy. A beautiful lady, a handsome guy. They are in love. Your friend saying, Fati, your friend saying Michael. Oh, many je home pel. Dim komo, they will start going out. Once they remember religion, that is the end of the relationship. Why should they believe in God divide us? Mean to me waro because me yenkremoni. Mean to me waro. Mo Christopher na mukura Bible na nkasa. Ene se SD ni ekowali Rome ni a. Entokwa wo fie because omo man be kwa so le ben. Na ma me ne ka say me pese me ne me ba na ko we na be ma se de ma be ko we. One kasa your religion, we a bunch of confused people. Muna muji Jesus di na nkasa. Mu Jesus no ebi so ye nyankopon, ebi so ye nyankopon ba. What kind of religion is this? What kind of religion is what kind of religion? There were over 4,000 denominations in Christianity. Christianity alone. Obia ni jidie the same Bible. Obia so quotation di proving the point. Do odin pabua kwa so dem o quotation. Do yi ni pabua o quotation. Do osha asomade wo quotation. The way na asomade e wo quotation. Kristo ni o wi preko wo ni quotation. E na Kristo ni o wi preko ni quotation. Ebi bu esu aso dem. E Kristofo ebi bu esu e wo aso dem. Ebi nso di nsuo na petipeti nipa so. Wo koto a na di nsuo na petipeti so. Ye bo wesu e we eja wo ba eni sunsun kronkrodim. Esu bo no ebi bo no epum ebi bo no rivem Jehovah Witness for de omo bo esu e we swimming pool mu say swimming practical so. Asole bi ewo achen ase omo de aba emfia e na ebo esu se wugidi na wo ba o beje 3 lashes esubo heaven komu maabo o be so altar table nim na we kuntunu ho oma wo bill eja bill wo ba bill konkronkron obo utu na o ja table nim a ahyegu eye replay na so for no said there wa bono brother uji tu ubem obabu akun ade asole ba ku bi so away tamakom tiete omo de efunudaka na egbesu efunudaka omo se ye besie woni Yesu na woni Yesu asole into do tu efunudaka ni mu a na wakata so na webie so eja na wakata so na webie so woba na wakata so na webie so asole bi na efe na amen and amen so for no wose nipa ne doso on to me from ko refa nko gbesu into the motobro e na egbesu muni motobro de display koko no o de nsoku mutem na waspark tatawim afosh fo o spray wa na wo fo a wase wabu esu ba so ya akate ona wi koko wo kasapin religion ewurade didie mo friend Lord's supper me pa cho supper e ye duane ben ba Lord's supper e bi di na nopa wudi na nopa adane Lord's lunch ebidi na wia wudi na wia adane lost break wudi na nopa eye lost breakfast wudi na wia eye lost lunch lost supper eye numbre duane na eye den na wudi na nopa na wia yi ebi nsu di ne da bia ebidi ne bosome ebidi ne once a year. What are you telling me? Anti-Christianity and kasa mo ye bunch of confused people. It won't take time. You will be changing churches. Ubeko Pentecost na we jai. Ubeko Anglican na we jai. Ubeko Roman na we jai. Ubeko SD na we jai. Ubeko Theocracy na we jai. Ubeko Universal na we jai. Duru baby na njia na wa yenkremoni. Otum se inkremosom no make sense chan ba akono. E die nkrenia. I don't need to go to church to be a good person. Jansom nyankopon wa so dem. Nyankopon yesom wo abrabom e your practical life. How you relate to your fellow human beings and nature. When you say nyamesom pakra no e wo se tra kom mo aso. How you even relate to animals. Enya boa bia na yewe. What to ejiramboa? What to the din skido. Oni ejiramboa yat na efie 4 years. Ejinambo ye wadanfo edru Christmas ya na wache wadanfo skido na ode na bon kwan we eye criminal case wawe na danfo no na wo de wadanfo skido ejinambo ahwe nkwan na wadanfo wase chale na skido we no so skido nkwan ha wawe na danfo no oh that's it. Oh wawe padi na how any muakra relate the black man doesn't know. When him say abrofo obroni or kramanya, the dog is part of the family. Or hide down or making provision for the dog. And before you treat yamwa te said the umu ni soul. Only say unkrane who them work. I don't know how to live with them. Yeah, so many Yankopon I saw them. Wo Bible ne kura say mo nim se mo ni pedua ne Yankopon mo ati mo na so dan enti mo hye Yankopon ni mo nyam e wo mo ni peduam mo amuti Facebook didi atem na so console hypocrite mo amuti Facebook amudidi atem oba ya ati wa o se den on kwasole ideas man en kwasole mami ngege en kwasole amankra lo kwasole mo amudidi atem nyina Bible na mo dem ho. Don't be hypocrite. Be sincere with your brother. Obey didi watem. Why you video afa mo mpa bra. Chomo dwemo. Speak sense. People are watching you. Do your video na man for comment here. And do share comment no. Comment nim kra na o viewers ni bi kra kira say jai de wo ye no. Jai de wo ye no. Jai de wo ye no. Abay. Yan solim betra Facebook okay. And so Facebook is saying me, I speak when I have something to say. I don't speak because I have to say something. Any issue be at the bar, my husband may come once. There will issue be a critical issue. Maybe to say Anas ni Kennedy Japan assembly. Want to be bunning them go Anas so. Want to be bunning them go Kennedy Japan so. Eti assembly say no. Ujinan chain. No way jai assembly. Time will tell. A bedroom baby. Do I no quaffon yen na behu? Do I your trophon yen na behu? Yada shatawali sebe so kini video yi bayi hwe video am ye you don't have right to insult anybody obi ekuta ni free choice why ya de na to mra we have people in authority who have to deal with the person enya wo na be na Facebook ababa catch obi say police enkochi obi we mo dwemo manipa ni ohwe video no kra meto ai debate video afa obeti wa me video afa ne ho se obati wa so bi kre invite no na oba online na obi say me nua be ma no wakanya nsasem I don't need to come and insult her all those we didi matem ti me pam nyina chobe nua no ye Ghana fo ye pe Ghana yie pese moti ase se muna munya chance akotena burochire no sebe mu nchen Ghana fo na wo fie no wo kwan bia so because obi wo fie o making more money than you obi wo fie o weni monyam chen abrochire na enye privilege enye bibi a chen bibi metu kwan ni bi enye bibi a e chese wo ye nipa chen wo bi. So we UK, who are US inti, also Facebook as sabe, but did the attempt as I said to quite Debbie. Who took quaya, and your passport won a stamp up them, who in the punching will be a where to quaya, ye were Jumadin, ya ye wolf so ye boy a bra, un to mean Boamia, men the attempt, simple logic. Yea, and paying for now, poor my bra. Why not go to Aquaquatana will be crum? So what you say? To any chance Aquatana, a brochire baby, men means so you're smart, we intelligent. Nandipa bebre, mo your Facebook bloggers, mo nimukasa. You don't even know how to present message. Me, you can listen to me for 5 hours non-stop. Me, I was born speaker, I was born teacher. Me to me, outside preaching. You will love to see Pastor Ali. Now me to be preacher, my boy, me to be preacher now. I match 3. Now go for the switch now. Abramapon. But Tom Sundro in our camp, Timinim said ye nipa kasa. But Tom Sundro da, Menam to me casa for Sundro na Nessia Toby. Timefaka, Mammy catch him say, young man, wouldn't Nimukasa, men can't da, don't lie. So in life, I don't lie. Mincantro, I mean cantro. Member 8 Sunday, Yanama number 9. What's my catch? What does that have to do with you? Men am a demon amount member. Menji school fees war. Menji unkoda enso sika war. You don't have right to insult me. Enkoda ni so any didi watem. And wa wo bebre. And wa wo bebre. Me 10 years. 10 years me ba no. Na me ba berikisu. Me ba berikisu. Over 25 years. Na me last born no over 10 years. Ye chop picture. Na me de to Facebook. Yusuf how many years? Me boy no over 11 years. Into Sabre no over 21 years. Ye chop picture near the betua. Now you start clapping. Methodist Asole, John Wesley ne mame over 19. Susanna Wesley over 19. Where Jimmy? I don't lie. Me chantro. It's my life. It's my choice. Obi on never back on. But only my baby 15 and I abortion. Only my 15 I abortion. Now me ma 9. Why na ma also? One man go to my secondary school. My kids are alive. Me or baby no me nyem no be ya to go. I beg you, you go born. Yeah, agree, we get married. Yeah, agree, you move on with life. Dear who he biano, me yama. Simple as ABC. I don't lie, I don't cheat. So what you say? I don't have wife and found. I don't need to make you a wife. I don't need to. Yeah, you better video, you better video. Why, a friend of Franca, very beautiful lady. Yeah, I feel a wow. Yeah, Mami Zilla, yeah, Charlie, Tonga, the Obiani Jihu. Me need video. Why I'm a beautiful lady, because Kobe. Yeah, wow. When we agree, when we click, we get married. We don't click, we split, but we become friends. Upe biya ma yama, fefe ni akoye ni. So ati ase, nti see yourself. Michiamu nyina. Ya besa be kasa bibiri na, ya kasa na akwakotra. Why? We beti mi ni P Black and culture. P Black, umbeso mu. Why? P Black why? Tia pa mo chaw. Mama ye nimbi o social media mesra mo. Bloggers ni ade no. Don't insult Biscout. Say Biscout in interview we interview evangelist ade no was started ne nsem ke Canada and now Biscout interview ne say bekasa me so na me o mi page dada and na Biscout interview me enya Biscout e kofo obi abai o ye interview enti Biscout de obi abana nipa na ejimi nipa na ejimi enya Biscout na ejimi so ati ase enti medam nyina ase CSF yeah P Black yeah Charlie my boy nini o yeah there's the real black. Yeah, P Black in the building. Wow. Charlie, Timedam nyina ase CSF. Nti ochina ye bear lesson. Why? Na your company no M Global, Alliance Motion Global. Sunday, ye back Cape Coast. Ye wie takrade. Ye back Cape Coast. Nti wo Cape bia no patro frame me. Ne link it up. Why? Ye back Sunday date Friday. Sunday date. So, me pesa me wo 12 na me twaso me wo 12 why ye wo me nko anti afa na ma wo me nuanom aka me mankasa why P Black obi so be so wenim bi mo Sunday date wow anti Sunday ya Charlie Pauchao na baby awo bia no wherever you are in the Tafri Bomski squad yeah baby awo bia no obetua join Alliance in Motion Global and I said obe WhatsApp me send me the business information why P Black am person who him the real black yeah P Black ni why me ba kepu mini P Black neighbor why mini P Black neighbor ti me damu nyina ase CSF madam wase mon share video ni mai why ti me twa so no pa mo chaw me nua oba ya ti wa wo ye ya me ye yaw ideas man ma me ngege nom mo amugu Facebook na ye djuma ye boa ye man ye tufo pa mo chaw ye njai santokwa no ne atendidie no ye nya baako me ne wonya adwen a me nsem didi watem there be yeah 22nd July 2018 Sunday ye back Cape Coast me the venue no beba ochina mombra ne nye business o ma me bi yale o papa bi yale a ye food supplement ye boa preventing the sakio yale why me damu nyina se CSF why wo nya Apostle Kojosafo the quantum pendant before radiation M Global de nso eni M Global de na da me kwem we san ye for radiation and airborne disease tuberculosis name Ebola no ne ade no why ne nyina good for we company ne de and no pay bia o send usika me order if Philippines aba ma me 3 weeks na me de amount why yeah Richard Aku yeah Arnold Obo yeah Bryson Kwame yeah Saviola Dan yeah Mohammed Nuru yeah me ho yeah Prophet Lawson me ho yeah VG yeah Frank Nero me ho yeah Nanekia Goddess me ho Raskotoka me ho yeah Pamela Brown that che ma me ho nyina why manye koko yeah Anthony Tete yeah ank no so yeah ank no so bi ho why ank no so bi ho pe bi 30 Ghana pe ank no 30 Ghana Apostle Quantum no ɛyɛ 200 Ghana ɛna aim global ɛyɛ no ɛyɛ 500 Ghana medam nyina ase CSF till we die yeah adwen na anya dwuma body ne bebre why thank you medam nyina ase Aigbe Tofe we know nkomo na ye wo no why ya antia na wa frame why Isaac Jebiscos yeah o aim global mo nyina go aim global bright Boatin Frederick me humu ya lawyer Bafo Bonnie ya CSF to the world ya medam nyina ase Ras Kotoka ya mefro why Mubarak TV program no sika na nso nti na monti yanka no sika na nso why ya Kwame Kosla me hu ya Honorable Ruben ya Ishmael Afro me hu Nas me hu ya Unstoppable me hu mu nyina why ya Daniel Jinya me hu me da mu nyina ase bye.